When it's time to clear dense weeds and overgrown spaces, you need real power and endurance. This Husqvarna 330 LK string trimmer is built to tackle the toughest terrain, handling thick brush and large yards with ease. This machine brings pure power with a 28cc 2-cycle engine that kicks out 1 horsepower. No small feat for a handheld trimmer. It's designed for high torque, ensuring you cut efficiently without constantly stopping to refuel or replace parts. Plus, the effortless starting technology means you won't need to wrestle with the pull cord. The spring-assisted system slashes the starting effort by 30%, a huge bonus on busy days. You're getting a 20-inch cutting path here, wider than most gas trimmers. That extra reach lets you cover 30% more ground, ideal for large yards or stubborn weeds. Need precision? You can scale down to an 18-inch path for a bit more control in denser patches. This balance of coverage and adaptability makes the 330 LK incredibly versatile for heavy-duty jobs. Unlike basic trimmers, the attachment-capable design opens up a world of options. Whether it's edging, brush cutting, or even leaf blowing, the Husqvarna has your back. Its detachable shaft allows for quick attachment changes, creating an all-in-one yard tool that adjusts to any task. This flexibility can be invaluable, though if you're coming from older Husqvarna models, know that some attachments won't be compatible. Important to remember if you already own previous gear. Comfort isn't sacrificed for power here. Low-vibe technology integrates dampeners between the engine and chassis to keep vibrations to a minimum, so you'll feel less fatigue in your hands and arms, even on extended trimming sessions. And with the 12.85-pound weight, it's solid but manageable, giving you a mix of control and stability that suits larger tasks. Husqvarna's Rapid Replace trimmer head is another win, making string reloading hassle-free. In just 3 simple steps, you're back to cutting. No need to fiddle or take the head apart. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for keeping momentum on bigger projects. The extra-large, see-through fuel tank adds a practical edge too, holding 20% more fuel than many other trimmers. This means fewer breaks to refuel, which is crucial when tackling expansive or thick areas. Plus, the clear tank gives you a quick visual check, so you're always aware of your fuel levels without fumbling with caps or guessing. The trimmer reaches an impressive 8,000 RPM at max power, with an output shaft speed of 5,478 RPM, numbers that reflect serious capability in rough vegetation. For safety, you've got intuitive controls at your fingertips, and air purge technology clears air from the carburetor and fuel system for quicker, smoother starts. Despite the power, it has a sound pressure level of 96.1 dB at the operator's ear. This might seem loud but is actually comparable to other gas trimmers, striking a balance between performance and noise. One keynote: the recall in February 2024 for faulty wiring in the ignition module. This issue has been fully addressed by Husqvarna, offering a free repair if your model was affected. It's great to see a brand stand behind its product and ensure safety without cutting corners. For anyone dealing with extensive property or overgrown terrain, the Husqvarna 330 LK is engineered to deliver consistent power, versatility, and durability that goes beyond your standard trimmer. While it may not work with older Trimmer Plus attachments, it makes up for this with unmatched customization and a range of features tailored for robust performance. And if you're after a tool to keep your hedges in check, don't miss our next video on the best hedge trimmer for home use. It's ready to play on your screen now.